say Ryan is back, and I know a lot of people like to dress up for New Year's Eve and all that, but I will say, out walking today, people were out in t-shirts.
Yeah.
I was counting them.
I believe it. I actually went for a run just wearing shorts and a sweatshirt.
It was warm enough to do that today.
Yeah. It was. It felt that way for a few hours. And the good news is tonight, for people heading out, you're not going to need the really heavy winter jackets.
Nice.
Or for people going to like the beach ball drop in Bangor, you can at least hang out there and not be freezing the whole time.
Nice.
So yeah, it'll be a good night. Wanted to show you how the month panned out. These aren't the final numbers. I did some like back of the napkin calculations after I got the temperatures today. But in Portland, the numbers just a bit below average for temperatures, and in Bangor just a bit above, so pretty close to average temperatures. We were above average though in precipitation for the month, rain and melted snow in both Portland and Bangor. But today ended on a warm note for sure. 47 right now in Lewiston, 41 in Bangor. We're at 45 in Portland. Still nice and quiet out there now with a mostly clear sky. You can see off to the west, this is the system that's coming for tomorrow. Its track will be right over us, and there's no cold air really out ahead of it, and the track isn't favorable for snow outside of the mountains. So while the mountains will get snow, most everybody else will just see some rain from this. 6 o'clock tonight, still in fine shape. This is 9 o'clock. We're dropping into the low and mid 30s. Clouds will be thickening up so that by midnight, we'll have temperatures in the 30s to maybe even around 40 on the coastline as the clouds really thicken up. We'll stay dry though until well after midnight. 3 in the morning, we start to see this moving in, and then by 6 in the morning, it's getting into central Maine. Now, most areas will see rain, but once you get into the foothills, some wet snow is possible, and especially near and north of Route 2, as you get into the western and northern mountains, that's where snow will fall through tomorrow morning, probably steadiest in the morning, while the rest of us get a soaking rain into the middle of the day tomorrow. Now, tomorrow afternoon, the storm system is slow to move out, but we'll just have some showers that linger around. So a few spotty rain showers, areas of mist and drizzle to the south, and then snow showers will continue up north even into tomorrow night. So in total through the day tomorrow in this green shaded area, we're looking at about a ½ an inch to an inch of rain. There could be some isolated higher amounts. In the gray shaded area, maybe a little snow mixes in, but it probably gets washed away. And then 1 to 3 inches in the Oxford Hills up to around Rumford, Farmington, and Skowhegan, and then the higher amounts 3 to 6 and possibly a bit more than that once you get into the higher elevations in the mountains. So it really is an elevation driven type snowfall. Now tomorrow night there still will be some rain and mountain snow showers out there even into Thursday morning, and on Thursday the wind will whip out of the west. We'll have some gusts at times 30 to 40 miles per hour, and that will help continue the snow showers up in the mountains, while for the rest of us it'll just be a blustery and chilly day on Thursday as the storm sits around to our north. And then cold air is going to move in, and it settles in for a while, but right now it looks like the storm track will be to our south, so it may just be cold and dry into the middle of next week. I don't see any big chances for snow locally, at least in the next 7 days. Seas tomorrow 5 to 8 feet with a gale warning that's up on the water. So rain for most of us tomorrow, but it will be snowing up in the mountains. And then on Thursday, it's windy, turning colder with snow showers still up in the mountains. Wind probably stays up on Friday, so a blustery and chilly day with temperatures barely getting to freezing. And then the cold really settles in over the weekend, but it looks dry. I don't see any big chances for snow through at least Tuesday of next week. Right now it looks like a storm will go by to our south. So at least we'll get the cold, but we're not going to get the snow.
Right, you like to get both usually.
I know, yeah.
Or none.
I know, I mean, but winter sports people, snowmobilers, everybody would like some.
Right,
Yeah.
right, absolutely.
Thanks, Ryan.
Thank you,
bet.
Ryan.